what we have: information technology and in IS, information system. Consider the two statements. Strategic level decision, no, you see, important word is strategic level, will usually need to be supported with the highly detailed, mainly internal information. Remember that strategic level decisions are not relevant with highly detailed information. Highly detailed information is required at operational level. Who is working, what time, at what space, what is the capacity of the machine, etc. Numbering, sales unit, right? Who is selling what in what space, in which area, how many units have been sold by Mr. A of that a product X, right? So these kind of decisions are taken at operational or tactical level, but not at strategic level. At strategic level, we are having major information. What is the total market share of, let's suppose, our product A in market B, right? So obviously option number 1 is not correct. So if 1 is not correct, this is gone, this is gone, right? To be considered good quality information must be, amongst the other thing, easy to use. No, it's very simple and obvious. Quality information has so many you can say characteristics. So one of those is easy to use. Yes, true. So this is true, so automatically this is gone, right? Okay, next is which of the following is a reasonable drawback of using database? Reasonable drawback, the word reasonable is here very important, right? Not a drawback, but a reasonable drawback. So means there might be in options you might see two things that are apparently seeming as drawbacks, but here we are focusing on which one is a reasonable drawback, right? So a system failure may cause widespread disruption and loss of the information. Yes, if database is there is a system failure in the database, so there will be cause of widespread disruption and loss of information. This is correct. Let's see the other option. Is it difficult for the two people to use it? No, not at all. It's not difficult. In database, a lot of people are using at the same time. It is one of the advantage of it, right? The quantity of information is limited, not limited. This is one of the advantage of the database. It's not limited for the few thousand. Cost of setting it up often outweighed the benefit of using it. Now there might be you can see that sometimes it happens that cost of setting it up often outweighed the benefit of using it, but it's not a reasonable drawback. It may happen and it may not happen, but this surely gonna happen. If any failure occurs, this will be causing a disruption, a loss of information. So A is the right option. Purchase ledger, sales ledger, payroll system are the example of what? Executive information system? Not at all. Executive level people or executive level information does not need these kind of information, not even decision support system, right? So these two options are very simple to exclude it, right? Transaction processing system, yes, these are all transaction. In sales, transaction. Purchase, it's a transaction. Payroll, it's a transaction, right? A management information system, no, in management information system we are keeping record of the employees and all the other things, right? So it's TPS is the right option. Okay, a company is planning on purchasing on new information system that will use internal and external sources of data to help the company create a forecast sales in its market, which is highly changeable and uncertain. Two words, highly changeable and uncertain. You remember we use this word uncertainty. When uncertainty comes, what happens? It's remember it's simple. It's decision support system. Decision support system works in an environment in such a cases when we are uncertain about the future, right? So new information system that will use internal and external source of data to help the company to create forecast Forecast mean we are now expecting and projecting something about the future. So in this case, we are uncertain, we are not sure. So it's simple, right? It's not about executive information system, expert system, or MIS. It's all about, it's the main characteristic of decision support system that we have is uncertainty. Okay, so from chapter number 5, what we have: stakeholders,